Sunday again, so I'm going to drop this loaded trailer because the truck is due for an oil change. And I really don't need to do anything to the trailer. It's good to go. I greased it last weekend and really don't need to drag it around the parking lot. Like to, when I drop a loaded trailer on this dirt gravel parking lot, I like to drop it till I hear a little bit of the air start coming out of the valve, or coming out of the bags, the leveling valve, because it drops some when you pull out from under it, and I didn't want to tear them off. Up the air. Let that go down. Until there's no more air in the bags. Yep, now I don't have to worry about anything hitting. Alright, I'm going to grab the hood. And I finally bought an easy drain valve. Okay, so there's an easy oil drain valve. Part number is EZ211. That's for Cummins. Actually, it's for Cummins Signature Series ISX, QSX15, Detroit DD13, DD15, DD16, Max Force 11 and 13, Mac MP8, Mac MP10, and other engines with 27mm 2.0 size drain plug. So I have one of those on my other truck with a cat, and I don't remember the part number for it, but it's nice and it's convenient. So I've had that for a little bit now, and I just keep forgetting to bring it up here and put it in. So we're finally gonna do that, and that will be pretty nice. I guess that's crawl under this thing and let it drain. And then we will actually, let it drain for a minute. Let's put this somewhere where you guys can see. Not quite. Yeah, how about there? You guys hang out there. For the bottom one. But when I put the easy drain in, I'm going to put it in the side one. This might be difficult. I don't know that I've taken this one out because I usually drain it out of that bottom plug so I get the majority of the oil out. I don't know that I've ever had this plug. That I don't know. I don't think I've had that sucker out. It is now in there tight. Okay. I hit my funny bone. It wasn't very funny. And on this side, we gotta get that filter off. See if we can slop some oil everywhere. Not too bad. To get on there. Because I always have the hardest time getting these things started. And I'll say that, and this time I'll get a thread right on, and it did. But half the time I can't get those suckers threaded on there. Okay, new filter, done. Now let's dump some oil in. Of course, I made a mess on my arm. And I must be the only guy that doesn't have the little secret hidden filter, or little funnel in here. All right, that's all done. I'm gonna fire it up and check the oil one more time. Or I'm not. Oil pressure, typical Cummins stuff. I get so tired of the hood rattle on this thing. I got me a nice handful of grease. And we're going to give that some. And then we'll come over here to this side and give this some. I've tried hood skins. They said cut some socks and put on here, but I've yet to find anything that works just as good as just greasing the thing, even though it makes a mess on your cab. Ripped my glove. Why wouldn't I do that? Yeah, we'll paint that up a little bit. That'll quiet that down. That's greased. I'm going to go through what I would normally do on a grease cycle. I'd hit the spring hangers, all 5 of those, steering joints, and then the kingpins, the tie rod end, pitman arm end, and then go to the other side and do the same thing on the tie rod and the spring hangers. And then it doesn't need greased this weekend. I just greased it last weekend, so let's crawl under here. And we'll go through why my Monday morning pre-trip is usually so not up to par. I check all of my stuff on my truck when I grease it, and usually every weekend I crawl under it just to make sure that nothing's falling off. And on this truck, there is no grease fittings in the driveline. So that's pretty simple. And I hit my slack adjusters and my S-cam bushings, and I look at the brakes. The lining is good on the brakes. So, yeah, check and make sure nothing's loose. No brake cans falling off. Nothing terrible going on. And we slide back here to the back axle. Of course, with this fender bracketry, it's pretty inconvenient anymore to go underneath here, but same thing. No brake cans falling off. Grease everything. Check the lining. Check the wheel seal while you're there. Nothing bad going on. Nothing falling off the suspension. You know, just look at everything. No leaks. And then I'm okay on Monday morning when it's time for work. You know, shocks aren't falling off. When I do my Monday morning pre-trip, I check the lights and lights, camera, action. As long as the lights are working, and I already knew on Sunday there was nothing falling off, it's good to go. So that's basically what a maintenance day would look like, unless something drastic happens. This thing needs washed, but that's not going to happen today. It's a little filthy. Might take the easy way out, stop somewhere and have it washed this time. All right, thanks everybody for checking in. You spent my Sunday with me going over this thing, and like I said, it'd be nice to give it a bath, but that's not going to happen. So, oh well. We'll try to get to it this week. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, comment and like the video.